It's springtime in Utah, which means that it is almost time for backyard volleyball, barbecues, and just overall amazing days with friends. Since this is what my backyard looks like on a regular basis, I need to have a lot of comfortable places for people to hang out. Last year, I built my own furniture, but this year I have way too many other projects I'm working on, and I wanted to add some luxury chairs for lounging because I plan on being outside as much as possible this summer. So, what I decided to go with are these amazing Indonesian teakwood chairs that are sustainably harvested. Something that's sustainable but also durable is really important to me, and this kind of wood's known for that, as well as the beautiful golden color. Okay, anytime I'm assembling anything, I start by pulling all of the pieces out of the box, as well as the instructions and hardware, and I lay everything out so it's easy to find and make sure I'm using the correct pieces. But I always say it's kind of like adult Legos, and it's honestly a nice break from sitting in front of the computer all day, for me at least. These chairs are super easy to assemble. I always take longer with the first one, obviously, but then the second one I put together so fast. I love the all-weather wicker. It's hand weaved, might I add, by local artisans, which just with the added upholstery really adds to the comfort. It's hard to find outdoor chairs that are also comfortable, but these are awesome. And it also has a built-in quick dry foam because I woke up to snow the other day, and when Ty and I sat on them later after the snow had melted, they were completely dry. The other fun feature with these chairs is it comes with a phone holder, a cup holder, and a wine glass holder, so you can pick and choose what you'd like to add since they're removable. So for my first chair, I did a phone holder and a cup holder, and on the second one, I did a cup holder and a wine glass holder. So we'll see if I like it, but the great part is the pieces can switch around really easily. And once the chairs were fully done, I had to take a moment to sit in the sun and love on my pups because that is what I spend 50% of the time in my backyard doing anyways, and they deserve it. Overall, I'm really happy with these chairs. So if you're looking for something similar and you want to elevate your outdoor living experience this spring, just consider buying these. This company has several other amazing options. I did reach out to them for a discount code and they gave 15% off of any eligible or full price item with free shipping. There's no minimum purchase required. I'll put a direct link below as well, and the discount code will automatically be applied at checkout. I love making videos like this, so if this was helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY, travel, and product reviews.